Hello, I'm going to show you the second part of making the mobile phone holder. So we've got the slot here for the USB or the charging area. We have the two holes at the back for the feet and we have the outside casing. We're now going to start to put in the aluminium ledge and then we should be ready to send this to the laser cutter. So this part here is 6.7 plus 6 plus 6.7 and that would be the first line that I need to insert. And from either side, you'll see I'm also going to put in another line that is 6.7. So 6.7 plus 6.7 plus 6 is 19.4. Parallel from this line. So I've picked up my contour parallel tool, my third tool in, and I've selected 19.4 and clicked OK. I'm going to click off and back on the contour tool and click 6.7, and from this edge and not the curve, from this edge I'm then going to select 6.7. You'll notice that the lines haven't matched up because I've already put the radius in, the arc on the sides, so I'm going to click and drag without dismantling the alignment of that line. The aluminium is not as thick as a millimetre, but a millimetre gap will be more than enough for it to work. To remove all of these extended lines that I no longer need that have helped me to work out the spacing, I'm going to click and hold and use the second delete tool and delete by intersection. I'm just going to check back with the diagram that I've got that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, the outside, the two holes, the slot for the USB or charging port and the slot for the aluminium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all done. I can delete this line now, it's not going to help me in placing any more parts on here. And the next thing that I've got to do is that I could add in maybe some decoration that I wanted onto this lip. So it depends on the dimensions I have here, but if the thickness here is 6, then the maximum radius I could put on either side would be 3. You'll see that in a moment, to allow for a nicer curve. This file is now ready for you to send to a laser cutter. All you need to do is make sure that you've saved it. So you want to do a file, save as, and save it in an area where you can then email it to me and I can upload it. Perfect. Good luck.